If you're looking for reliable web hosting without spending a fortune, then don't buy anything until you watch this video, because you could save a significant amount of money. Right now, Hostinger is offering up to 85% off on its hosting plans, but that's only part of the deal. If you use the first link in the description, you'll also receive an extra 20% discount automatically applied during checkout. That's right, there's no coupon code to enter, nothing to copy, and nothing to remember. Simply click the special link, choose your plan, and your additional discount will be applied automatically before payment. Now, when you first visit the Hostinger website, you'll already see discounted prices. Don't worry if you can't see the extra 20% discount immediately. The prices on the homepage are the standard promotional prices. Your additional savings are applied during the checkout process, so continue until the payment page to see your final discounted total. If the website shows prices in another currency, simply click the flag icon at the top of the page and select your country. The pricing will instantly switch to your local currency, making it easier to understand exactly what you'll pay. Now let's choose the right hosting plan. If you're starting your very first website, launching a blog, creating a portfolio, or building a website for your business, I recommend the premium plan. It's the most popular option because it gives you excellent value for the price. With the premium plan, you'll get hosting for multiple websites, a free SSL certificate to secure your site, professional email accounts, one-click WordPress installation, access to the Hostinger website builder, powerful AI tools, and on eligible plans, a free domain name for your first year. It's everything most beginners need to launch a professional website. However, if you're planning to run an online store or manage several websites, then the business plan is the better choice. Along with everything included in Premium, you'll also receive daily backups, a free CDN, additional server resources, and improved performance. Daily backups are extremely useful because your website is automatically saved every day. If anything goes wrong, you can restore your website quickly without losing important data. The free CDN also helps your website load faster for visitors around the world, giving them a smoother browsing experience. If you expect your website to receive high traffic or you're building a growing business, then you should consider the Cloud Startup Plan. This plan includes dedicated resources, faster performance, priority customer support, and a dedicated IP address. It's perfect for websites that need extra speed, stability, and room to grow. One of the biggest reasons people choose Hostinger is how simple it is to use. Its custom control panel is clean and beginner-friendly. From one dashboard, you can install WordPress, manage your domain, create email accounts, monitor website performance, and control all your hosting settings without needing technical knowledge. Hostinger also includes powerful AI tools that save a lot of time. The AI website builder can create a complete website in just a few minutes. It can also help generate text, page layouts, and designs, making it much easier for beginners to launch a professional-looking website without hiring a developer. Another major advantage is performance. A fast website creates a better experience for your visitors and helps your site feel more reliable. Whether you're running a personal blog or a growing business, speed is always important. If you're planning to keep your website online for several years, many users choose the 48-month plan because it usually offers the lowest monthly price. Locking in today's promotional pricing can save you much more compared to renewing every year. And if you're wondering whether it's safe to try, Hostinger includes a 30-day money-back guarantee. That means you can test the service, build your website, and if you're not satisfied, you can request a refund within the first 30 days.